Paano bibiling ka? With bread, yogurt.
Gantong yogurt kami.
Apple di muna. Kaya nga. With bread. Then tsaka day 2 and I'm thinking of doing full today, so gawin muna ako baka kasi mga magpa-check up eh. So bye. On to the next one. Okay, today is August 22 and technically hindi pa talaga nag-start yung parang pinaka-challenge namin ni Kenneth sa workout, which is yung 45-day series, wherein dun sa 45-day series is weekly upload yung gagawin namin. So challenge ng best result dun sa 45 days na gagawin namin sa workout. And right now, mag-aaral tayo ng strength and conditioning sa IUSCA. Pakita ko sa inyo. Module 2 na ako eh. So ito yung sa IUSCA. Nakita ko lang siya sa IG talaga. Certificate in Strength and Conditioning. So kaya ako rin inaaral yung strength and conditioning na to is makakatulong din to sa workouts na gagawin ko. Fresh ko ngayon ah. Workout tayo mamaya. Testing natin mag-pull. Tara, nag-push tayo eh. Yeah. Okay, what's up guys? It's JB here. So for tonight, it's 22 na August. And di talaga ako mag-workout dapat, pero parang hinahanap siya ng katawan ko. So what we will do tonight is full day. So 2 routines lang. I just have dumbbells here, yung adjustable. And we're just going to do a rows. Okay, gawin natin 3. Barbell rows. Dumbbell rows muna, then single, then barbell. Okay, that's it. Yan yung gagawin nating routine ngayon. And we're gonna talk about later what will happen soon in this challenge. Okay? But first, titimpla muna tayo ng supplement. Sa Richard. Nagulat si Richard. Sorry! Tara dito. Richard, titimpla tayo. Okay, so we start. Hindi naman ako kita. Upo tayo. Shaker. After ng protein powder, whey, birch tree. Ito yung pinalas. Sarap kasi pag may birch tree. Ito lang. Yan lang. Then shake na natin. Okay, so start na tayo ng workout. Iligpit lang ako. Then set up natin yung dumbbell. Sir, dito. Parang ano naman dyan. Okay, so set up natin yung dumbbell natin. Ang weights lang. Dose eh. Ha? Ano yan? .5, 3, 2.5, tsaka 1.25. Then, grip natin, nakapasok dito yung dumbbell. So, ganyan. Parang masyadong mabigat sa akin. Parang kailangan magbawas. Parang bigat. Bigat na ewan. So, ito naman nararamdaman ko. So, it's a good thing. So, press mo na, then second set. Doon ulit yung grip dito sa likod. So, imagine niyo, so pag nagbaback, usually ang grip hindi na ganito. It's ganito. Over, ano yung piece. So, pag nagbaback or nagpo-pull ito. Ganito. Kaya lang ako nag-workout ulit. Reactivation to for next week. So, explain ko mamaya yung gagawin namin. Ilan tayo? Okay, rest tayo ngayon. Then, last set tayo nun. Then, single arm. Same nung naman nang tatargetin na na muscle group. Pero, parang mas compound siya. Dahil, focus siya both side. So, single arm. Hapawisan ako. Last set tayo ng itong dumbbell rows. Then, sunod na single arm. Inisip ko may magagawa pa. So, parang wala naman. Kasi more on push yung mga magagamit ko talaga dito. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Then ulit, grip. Ka-grip. Pwesto mo na maayos. Then, lower mo. Straight pa rin yung likod, Hindi ka dapat na ganun. Okay. Hindi ka dapat mag-arch. Then, daan-daan. Gusto mo na yung placement mo. Ayos na yung placement mo, tsaka mag-roast. So, pag nag-workout din pala kayo, never ever hold your breath. So, kailangan regular pa rin yung breathing nyo. Okay? So, set aside natin muna isang dumbbell. Then, we were going to do the single arm. Okay? Left side. Char, dalis ka dyan. Mababagsakan ka. Okay, so ramdam naman dito sa back ko. And may 2 sets pa tayo. So, we're just gonna take some rest. Then, we're just gonna take a rest for our second set. Then, to do the second set. Up to 3 sets lang to. So, this workout is not the progression. It's like more on reactivation lang muna. Okay? Darling, hold my hand. Nothing beats a jet to holiday. Tindahan na, gym pa. Diretso na. Okay, time's up for the rest. Time is up for the rest. And we'll do the second set. Lang may bibili. Hindi. Joke lang pala. Okay. Pwede nga dito para kahit pa paano nakapaling pa rin ako sa video. Okay. Papuntang hips yung pull. Dose lang. Left side. Dose. Rest lang, then we'll do the last set. So, yeah. Kaya sa Richard Tabula. Parang naka-wide lens Antok. Okay, so ganun na ulit. Start tayo sa left. Then right. Ay! Sige, left na muna. Gusto. Dose. Ilan? Okay, so that's our workout for tonight. So it's not that hard. Hindi tayo ganun nag-push. So bakit? It's like more on reactivation lang ng muscle group na tatargeting ko for the next week start. It's Monday. For the next 45 days. So, challenge lang talaga ako ni Kenneth. So, ulit talaga akong bala mag-workout. Bala ko by Burmans pa talaga. So, gonna start it next week. Then, gonna try to upload it bi-weekly. So, compilation from Monday to Sunday. Kung ano man routine, kung mag-workout man, basta yun yung gagawin. Pero more on workout routine, yung mga i-upload natin doon. So, start siya ng Monday. Ano ba sa Monday? Gonna check the calendar lang muna. 22 ngayon. 23, 25. So, Monday, 25. Start siya. Workout. 45 days. Titignan natin kung maganda ba yung improvement. So, I still have the daily vlog workout noong November. Noong 2024, last year. Pero di ko pa siya talaga totally magawa. Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano yung discarding upload na gagawin ko doon. So, yeah. Well, gonna try to upload pa rin yun. Pero hindi muna sa ngayon. So, gonna focus muna dito sa 45-day challenge na to. We're gonna document it. Mag-weigh in ako. So, ngayon, medyo sore pa talaga yung muscles ko. Nag-reactivation din ako nung isang araw lang. Push naman yung ginawa ko dun. So, dumbbell setup lang. Ano. Galing nga nung muscle ko. So, nga siguro yung sinasabi na muscle memory. Like, hindi talaga mawawala yung na-build mong muscle all throughout nung working out mo. Or ng training days mo. You just have to reactivate it lang talaga. Tanggal muna ako sa lamig kasi pinagpapawisan. So, August 25, Monday. Gonna be a long 45 days. Then, si Kenneth, try din natin siyang pakuhain ng footage. So, i-compile natin to weekly. Gonna try to upload it every Sunday. So, 25, 26, and 7, 8, 30. So, yung first episode will be on the 31 of August. Gaga-document din. Halimbawa, may isang araw na hindi ako nakapag-workout dahil may ginawa ko or something. So, still try to document it pa rin. Okay, so like what I said earlier, no? It's gonna be a 45-day long workout progression. Tama ba? Comment nyo nga sa baba kung ano yung magandang title nito. Ang naisip ko pa lang is the 45-day challenge. Okay. Na-finalize ko pa rin yung pinaka-workout plan ko, pero I'm planning to do PPL. So what is PPL? Push-pull-leg and active press core. Something like that lang yung pinaka-plan ko talaga. So it's push-pull-leg, more on bodyweight training sana. Which is, kaya ako nag-reactivation din talaga. Number 1 is para masanay na yung muscles ko for the next week. So, PPL, push-pull-leg. I'm planning between push-pull-leg or push-pull-rest then leg. So, something like that. Yung workout will be push-pull-leg, number 1. Number 2, workout will be more on the bodyweight training side. So, what is bodyweight training? So, gonna use my body as yung workout. So, hindi ganun karami yung pag-use of dumbbells, which is pre-weight kung tawagin. So, we're gonna do bodyweight training. Hybrid siya kasi nga meron tinatawag na pre-weights. Number 3, we're really gonna have an active rest day. So, ang pinaka-rest day lang talaga is Sunday, which is the day na mag-edit ako. Then, we're gonna upload it by night. So, yun. Number 4, hindi pa naisip yung number 4, but kailangan natin mag-insert ng cardio day. In active rest, it's either cardio or core. So, in between, pili na lang siguro ako doon. Number 5, hindi ko pa naisip, pero any suggestion will be open. So, comment nyo kung ano yung pwede ko pang gawin dito sa 45-day series na to. So, I think that's it lang for today. So, gonna try to upload it on Sunday. Then we're gonna start the challenge by Monday, which is August 25. And it will gonna last ng 45 days. So, 45 days, 7 days, 7, 14, 25. Abutin siya ng mga 6 na upload. So, yun for the last week ng workout. Pabutin ko na siya up to 45 days. Then, overall na yun, sama na yung results na mangyayari. Okay? So, happy workout! Bye! Tapos may piyaya dun, no? Piyaya. Okay, piyaya naman. Then, last is the protein. Last meal. Nagbubuo na. Last meal natin for today. And that's it.